Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that so many of you have been asking about: how to look younger naturally. No expensive products, no invasive procedures, just simple, effective tips you can start using today to keep your skin glowing and your body feeling youthful. Let's get started. Aging is natural, but how we age is influenced by our habits, environment, and lifestyle. Wrinkles, dull skin, and low energy. These aren't just signs of getting older, they're often signs that our body needs a little TLC. The good news, with the right practices, we can slow down the aging process and look younger, naturally. First up, sunlight. Yes, the sun often gets a bad rap, but it's essential for your health and youthful glow. Morning and late afternoon sunlight provides infrared light and UVB rays, which help your body produce vitamin D. This vitamin is critical for healthy skin, strong bones, and even your mood. But remember, moderation is key. Avoid overexposure and use natural sunblock if you're staying out for long. Your diet plays a huge role in how you look and feel. Focus on foods rich in antioxidants like berries, leafy greens, and nuts. These fight free radicals that damage your skin and accelerate aging. Oh, and don't forget healthy fats like avocados, salmon, and olive oil. They keep your skin hydrated and elastic from the inside out. Hydration is key. Water helps flush out toxins, keep your skin plump, and maintain that radiant glow. Add a slice of lemon or cucumber for an extra boost of antioxidants. Beauty sleep isn't just a saying, it's a real thing. While you sleep, your body repairs and regenerates skin cells. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night to wake up looking refreshed and youthful. When it comes to skincare, less is more. Avoid harsh chemicals and opt for gentle, natural products. Coconut oil, aloe vera, and honey can work wonders for your skin without breaking the bank. And don't forget to exfoliate once or twice a week to remove dead skin cells. Exercise isn't just about staying fit, it's also an anti-aging secret. Regular physical activity boosts blood circulation, delivering oxygen and nutrients to your skin. And for an extra youthful glow, try facial exercises to tone the muscles and reduce wrinkles. Did you know that oxytocin, the love hormone, can actually rejuvenate your skin? You can boost oxytocin levels by connecting with loved ones, practicing gratitude, or even making lactobacillus reuteri yogurt. It's packed with probiotics that support your skin and overall health. Here's a fun one: cold water immersion. Dunking your face in cold water or using a chilled face roller can tighten pores, boost circulation, and stimulate collagen. It's refreshing and effective. Looking younger naturally is all about balance. Nourishing your body, protecting your skin, and staying active. Start small, make these habits part of your daily routine, and watch the magic happen. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more wellness and beauty hacks. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and stay radiant.